what do you think about scientific approach?
Scientific approach is the best coaching that you can get for biology. Rahul sir is the best teacher for biology that you can get. I have completed my biology in class 12th with 95%, and I hope that you can also get good grades. Just study with him. He is the best teacher that you can get for biology, and I've scored hard, and now I'm completed my dental surgery. So guys, keep it up and study biology. It's good.